Alright, we got this Sonic model racing Skyhunter. We're going to go ahead and unbox this and see what we got here. Nice brown box. A little tough to open. It looks nicely packaged. We got racing stickers, black, green, and red. It has eyes, number 3. So that's pretty cool. It comes with its own stickers and racing stripes. And all that good stuff. We have, looks like the aileron splitter, along with the servo connectors for the servo horns. This is an aileron. Oh, this is probably the back. Okay, this is the tail. That's the elevator. So you have the elevator, and then you have the twin vertical stabilizers. There's a carbon spar, and you have, okay, so basically you got the connector for the elevator. It runs through the left side of the twin boom, and it plugs into your elevator. So that's gonna be pretty cool. Carbon spar, looks like, I don't know, I'll figure that out where that goes. But it looks like you glue this elevator in there. Yeah, you glue it in there. So we'll do that. Let's set that to the side. This is the fuselage. It kind of reminds me of a Nano Talon. With the shape, kind of. It might be designed off of that. Your motor mount is inside there. You have 2 screws. Magnetic canopy with a spot. You can put the rotating tilt servo, hand tilt servo for the camera, and this pulls out as well. So you'll definitely be mounting your camera to this, and if you choose not to use the camera, you can put that smooth piece on the top. We also have the wing. It feels pretty sturdy. I'm definitely going to go over this with tape, or to laminate this to stiffen it out or strengthen it. Definitely would suggest covering it with tape or laminate. And we have the other wing. Looks like it's slightly deformed on this wing. Probably from the mold that they used. But for 55 bucks, you can't really be that picky. So that's it for the Skyhunter racing model. Show the sticker there. We're going to put the T-Motor F80 Pro 220 kV, and I'll probably put the 7.5 inch APC blade on there, and I'll put the Zod Copilot, and I think I'm going to run this on 3S. But it will run on either 3 or 4S. that's it.